Hey y'all, hey, this is the Knowing. I'm back. I just wanted to come on and let you all know that I have launched my season, all-purpose seasoning salt. I have one all-purpose season that has salt. And I have another all-purpose season that don't have salt. So my labels did not come in that said seasoning, but I have the labels for the sauce. So I was like, let me go ahead and launch this and let them know. Yes. For any information, y'all please inbox the Knowing. Y'all see that? Okay. Y'all get it now. And I just did not start making seasonings last night. I've been making seasonings for really the past 5-10 years. 10 years, but perfected it 5 years ago. And of course, everything I make tells, oh, you need to, box it up, bottle it up. And here we go. And we just thank God that he has been in the midst of all of this. So we launching this tonight, which is September the 23rd. And so I wanted to let you all know. All right, y'all. This is your girl, the Knowing and Tia, and Seeing and All Knowing on YouTube. Y'all have a good night.